Okay, so moment of truth. Let's taste it. Maybe just a little bit different. Yeah, but not bad. Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. Ogbasi no give o. Ogbasi. Ogbasi no give me. Ogbasi. See, when I took 2 tablets of this Iprine for headache, the thing disappeared like in 1 minute. The day we went to the movies, I think that was the day I got sick the most. I was like, I'm not going to sit in this house today without going for this movie. So my friend was like, okay, let's go to the pharmacy. It was on Sundays. Pharmacies are closed. To the supermarket. That was the day I realized that supermarket says some medications, you know. So I took 2 tablets of this. Before we come down from bus, enter the train where they go, headache don't disappear. I also got 2 nose spray. I don't know where I got to. In my head, I'm thinking Corona is cheaper. It's not. It's deceiving. It's not cheaper. But I got 2 of this and 1 of this. So yeah, I don't take medication. Like, I think this is going to last a while. But these ones, very essential. It's time for me to go do laundries. I already set, oh, that one is there. I don't know if you guys can see. And the rest batches are on the floor right there. So I'm gonna go put them in the washer, let them wash. And ooh, I haven't gone to see my post boss, you guys. See, that place, they dread me, honestly. It's 2 already, like 2 o'clock. Wow, that place, they dread me. So I need to go check. I don't know what to expect. Oh God, we'll go together. Oh, Basi. Mix. Estrage bouillon. Steaming. Start. Okay, I need to check my post. I said it. I told you guys it was going to be a lot. So, now that carry yellow envelope, so okay. Hey guys, good morning. Good morning, you guys. Yeah, for real this too. How are you guys doing? Oh, yeah. This is more like a continuation vlog. Not more like, it is what it is. I'm about to go out to my internet service office. I need to go there while I do. Oh, my shower broke. I don't know if I've told you guys about it. Yeah, I ordered for the shower head yesterday. They said they will be delivering it today. Shower head and the hose. Another thing I'm thinking, I don't know, I've not done it before, but a friend of mine, Ghanaian friend of mine, told me how to do it, which is what I'm going to try to do when it comes. Of course, I will figure it out. So yeah, that's what's up so far. I mean, that's the rundown. I think that's what they call it. So let's just see what today has in store. I don't want this vlog too long. I want to round up this vlog today. So let's go. Fifi, imagination. Da 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 da. Ooh, I'm ready, guys. I'm about to head out. Let me if I clean this. I'm about to head out. How do I look? Great. Yep. And I'm out. Amazon package just arrived, but the thing is, oh, I don't know if I told you guys I'm home already, but the thing is the full items are not here yet. Oh, I'm getting hungry. I need to eat. And this one is my hair product. This thing is too expensive, 15 euro. Eh? I'm hungry. So this is the hose for the bath. I was even trying to take off this thing when the bell rang, and that's why we're in the bathroom. So this is the pipe. This one. Ew. When they said they are going to deliver the head, maybe later in the day, I want to fix this one, make come off for ground. I know say this one don't come off for ground. Look at it. Yeah, the shower head I bought, something like this. I just bring me a big bag from the one we are looking for there. Hey, so nobody have is on my one and say oh one be here. I'll figure it out. What's this? Amazon DE. Yeah, they just told me they've delivered my package. So this is what this is. I'm going to try figure how to pull this one out. I think that's the only thing right now. How to pull this one out and how to attach this one to the shower head. Okay? I'll get back to you. I don't know if I showed you guys. I didn't show it in the vlog, but I showed it in a TikTok video. There is this mixture that I used to drink. I used to do it back then in Nigeria, a bit back then in Greece. I can't remember, but yeah, I tried it once in Denmark. I was like, why didn't I remember something like this exists ever since? So I don't have anything Guinness malt, anything African malt here, but the kind of malt that we have here from Netto, I'm going to use it to try. And we also have picnic here, but we have some other milk, something like this one, which I just went to get from Netto. I went out today, you guys remember. So I'm going to try it with the kind of malt that you can find from Netto and see if it's going to give that kind of taste or something similar. You get 1 minute. Alright, so this is the kind of malt that we have here in Netto. Oh, do you guys know that? I think I showed you guys Netto. The Netto in Denmark is yellow. Interesting. Completely different. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah, it is what it is. I don't know. I'm going to hear this Denmark situation for a while until it comes off my mouth. So when I'm nervous, when I'm here. So let me see if it's going to work. I hope so. Okay. This milk, should I taste it? Okay, tastes the same. Tastes the same. But maybe a picnic is a bit sweeter. Maybe the beer is different. The beer has did I say beer? The malt is different. The malt has more, what is it called? Is it bubbles? foam. I don't know what it's called. Yeah, you guys know what I mean. Okay, see that? Do you see how it looks? Okay, so moment of truth. Let's taste it. Maybe just a little bit different. Yeah, but not bad. Mmm. Mmm. Let's try if this will work. Okay. I'm doing it, you guys. Yeah, I did it. Never come out to one shot. I did it. Yes, I did it. Look. Ah, okay, this is how to do it. There's something inside. But this one is not. Eh? Wait. This is the one that I put off here. So this is basically the one that is going in there. I'm going to just lock it up now. I don't see that the box of I'm going to do. Let me just do it. Screw them. Open them up. Like so. Ew. Then like this here. I don't buy me. I don't buy our. I've done this one, Anna. Lesson learned. Eh? Is that the word? I don't know. How are you guys doing? So today is Friday the 21st July. So yeah, I just woke up. I just woke up, you guys. I slept a little bit longer today. I did. And now, no, first of all, I don't know why they use this big tripod, but this is what I'm using this morning. I just want to get my hygiene done. I don't know why I had to come in front of you guys to be brushing my teeth. I don't know, but I'm doing it. For some weird reasons, before I went to Denmark, I had a terrible breakout, like a huge breakout. Maybe you guys must have even noticed on my vlogs and maybe some of my TikTok videos and all of that. Terrible breakout, like I don't get it. My skin, let me say, especially on my face, doesn't take skin products anymore. The kind of changes that is happening, it's alarming. You guys, it doesn't take skin product anymore. I don't use skin product anymore. The only thing I do now that I'm trying to keep up with, hopefully this works and stays, is just use like a face wash. I'm trying to keep up with face toner because I want to see how I can work on my hyperpigmentation, because my face is pretty dark, like dark. When you see my shoulders or the rest part of my body and my face, you think they are two different people. You understand? You think I'm two different people in one person, if that makes sense. It's crazy. So I don't know what to do. Does it mean I still haven't found my skin type product? I don't know. Let me know, you guys, if you have idea. So yeah, what I just do now, I use face wash. Now it's getting better. It's getting better. No more popping out pimples anymore or something. Those little are still coming, but my face feels a bit fresher now. Crazy. I want to pour the sugar in here. Maybe a bit too thick. This was a bit too thick, but still not bad. Okay, this is the consistency I like this. You see that? Big me will tell, what 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 big me will tell. I don't create song. Okay, not too bad. So okay, not too bad. I think it's exactly what I thought. Not too bad. Yeah, this is where you can select it here. I don't know what's in here. We're gonna put it to a test. Let's go fix it. Okay. It is very simple, very easy to fix. Wait, let's try it. Oh, look at that! I want to see that you guys can see it. Let me show you. Let me select it. Oh, this is hot water. I can't wait to jump in here. Let me select it. Okay. Then where is this last one? Ah! The last one be like spray. Oh my god. Someone is going to have fun with this. Not me, oh. Someone. I like it. It was a good buy. A good one. Yeah. You see it? Ah! I like it. Say don't buckish, follow the place. Even though it don't get light like the other one, but I like it. Great.